Today we are going to discuss about membrane transport mechanism. Definition: transport of substances into or out of cells across plasma membrane is called membrane transport. A variety of substances are transported through the plasma membrane. Examples: water, proteins, lipid, carbohydrate, enzymes, vitamins, hormones, ions, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excretory product. There are two types of transport mechanism. One is passive transport, another one is active transport. In passive transport, it does not require energy to move molecules from a high to low concentration. The movement of solid through plasma membrane from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration is called passive diffusion or passive transport. It takes place until the concentration becomes same on both sides of membrane. It takes place through plasma membrane or ion channel. In passive transport mechanism, difference in the concentration of solids between the two sides of the membrane is called gradient. Passive transport is always from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. It is a downhill movement. It is a movement along concentration gradient. Passive transport does not involve energy and a carrier protein. Example: atmospheric oxygen enters the cells of lungs and gills through plasma membrane by passive transport. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood cells is passive transport. Glucose and amino acids from the intestine pass into the blood by passive transport. Secondly, active transport. The active transport of a substance across the membrane against concentration gradient or electrochemical gradient is called active transport. Active transport is an uphill movement of substance against the concentration gradient. That is, substances are transported from a region of lower concentration to region of higher concentration across the membrane. Active transport is uphill movement. It consumes energy. Hence, active transport is an endergonic process. The energy supplied by ATP. In active transport, ATP is produced by mitochondria. A large number of mitochondria are often located near the membrane during active transport mechanism. In active transport, a substance is transported by a carrier protein or carrier pump. In active transport, mostly ions are transported by uniport or symport or antiport. In uniport, a single ion is transported in one direction at a time. Example: calcium transport. In symport, two different molecules are transported in the same direction simultaneously. It is also called co-transport. Example: sodium ion transport. In anti-transport, two different molecules are transported in opposite direction. Example: sodium potassium transport. Thank you.